Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these iced mochas. Perfect for getting started in the morning and saving your 10 bucks at your local coffee shop. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of hot brewed coffee or 1 to 2 shots of espresso, 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce, ice, milk, and whipped cream. So the chocolate sauce you can use like a Hershey's sauce if you want, whichever one you prefer. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and mix together that hot coffee or espresso with the chocolate sauce. So I like to do this in a little cup. That way the sauce dissolves into the coffee and gives it like a chocolate coffee flavor. So now you're going to pour that coffee over a cup of ice. And then you're going to go ahead and get your milk or cream ready. Now you can use milk or you can use half and half. It's totally up to you. So we are just going to finish topping off that whole drink with milk or half and half. And then you can add your whipped cream. You can add chocolate drizzle, chocolate chips. You can even add caramel. If you wanted to do this as a caramel mocha, you could do that too. Just add caramel sauce. So easy to make these iced mochas. You can do these at home for almost nothing in comparison to what you could buy these for at your coffee shop. So be sure to check out the full recipe for iced mochas over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.